What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Coriele from the luxeminimalist.com. So I know it's been a minute since I filmed a video. I'm so sorry about that. Don't kill me, don't hate me. But I have made some apartment updates that I wanted to show you guys. So let's just jump right into it. So I'll leave everything linked below, and I'll also be showing B-roll of the pieces that I'm talking about. So the biggest thing that I'm so excited about is my dining table and my dining chairs finally came. So I had the dining table for like a month, and then I ordered the chairs from Wayfair. So I got this beautiful white marble top table, and it has a black base, like a tulip type of style. Yeah, I knew I wanted a marble table, and I knew I wanted a round table because everything else in my apartment is pretty rectangular. So I was trying to switch up the shapes a little bit to give it a little bit more dimension, and y'all, it was under $1,000. So that's one thing I really loved about this table. I wanted real marble, and I wanted it to be under $1,000. So I found that. So you really don't have to spend that much to make your apartment look, you know, luxurious and just, you know, elevated. And so that's what I was trying to do with this space. I know I didn't want to spend too much money on my pieces because I am furnishing this place by myself. So yeah, you want something that's affordable but still high quality. So everything that I'm talking about, I feel like it's super affordable. Once I got my dining table, I moved on to the dining chairs. I was looking for those. I knew that since the table was white and so much of my apartment is also white, very white, I wanted to break it up with some black chairs. And so I was looking, and I found a lot of options, but I feel like a lot of the options I found had gold legs, and I don't have any gold or silver in my apartment. Everything is very neutral with black accents. So black is my accent color, whereas, you know, I know a lot of people might do silver or gold, some type of metallic. I like a matte black accent, and you'll see that in my apartment. But yeah, so I knew I wanted black chairs, but I didn't want gold legs, and I finally found the perfect chairs. They are so comfortable. I feel like they're super affordable. I got all four for under $1,000. So, you know, that's kind of like my baseline with a lot of these things. It's like I don't want to spend more than $1,000 on it. I know furniture is going to be expensive for the most part, but it doesn't have to be too crazy. And I know I didn't want anything cheap because I wanted to last, but again, anyway, I'm going off on a tangent. The chairs are so comfortable. I just love sitting at that dining table. Ever since I got it, like, that's been my spot. I thought about not having a dining table, but I knew I needed it because I need somewhere to work from my laptop. I have my desktop and the desk for that, and I'll show like B-rolls of that right now. But it's a iMac, and it takes up the entire desk for the most part, so I can't work from my laptop on that desk. So I knew I wanted a big enough dining table where I can spread out, where I can sit, have my coffee, you know, and start my work day. So yeah, I love this dining table. Again, it's real marble, so you have to, you know, take care of it, use coasters, wipe up spills immediately. So yeah, I'm very careful with this table, but not to the point where it's like I don't want to sit there. Like, I sit there every day. I am obsessed with this table, and I'm also obsessed with the chair. It's super comfortable, kind of like a boucle material. I'm just so obsessed. I love these chairs, will highly recommend. So moving on, then next to the dining table, I just pushed my Peloton in the corner, and it is a little bit tight, but if I needed to work out on the Peloton, I just push the table a little bit to the left, and then I have room to get on and off the Peloton bike. Also, in the dining room, I added a bookcase with glass doors. I am obsessed, and I also drilled holes in it to attach lights to shine down inside of the cabinet, but I only did the top shelf and the middle shelf, and it still gives a good vibe, and it's a bright light. So I like the ambiance that the two lights create, because I feel like if I had lights on each row, it would be too bright, and I didn't want something that's too bright. I'm just trying to create a vibe. And when I turn those two lights on in the cabinet, like, it's just immaculate. Like, and I'm like watching my projector on my wall. Like, I'm just like in heaven. Like, I love it here. So I have been like really focused on making this apartment somewhere that I love to be. And these additions have just brought it to the next level. Like, I already love my apartment, but the dining table and the cabinet just set it off. So in the cabinet, I'm kind of using it like a storage space for some of my dinnerware. So I have like my cocktail glasses, my coffee glasses. I have like this popcorn tub and like little bowls in it that I got from Crate and Barrel. I showed it in a previous vlog. So make sure you check out all of the apartment vlogs. But yeah, so the first 3 or so shelves are for like kitchenware, and then the bottom half is for books, magazines, and my tech equipment. And I also store my projector in there on the bottom row when it's not in use, but when it is in use, it sits on my dining table and projects to the wall opposite, and it's just amazing. Like, I set up my Apple TV, I connect my Apple TV to the projector, I put the projector on like my mini tripod, and then I have like these Bluetooth speakers that I ordered from Amazon. Again, I'll link everything in the description box, but the projector is just 10 out of 10. So yeah, I store that in the dining cabinet thing. And yeah, I just love the vibe it creates. I'll show you on the screen what it looks like at nighttime, but it's amazing. And then moving to the living room, so I have my white couch. I made a video about that. That video has gotten so many views. It's a cloud couch dupe, and I've been getting a lot of questions about how I feel about the couch after, you know, months of having it, because I filmed that video right when I got it. So I got the couch in March. It's October now, so I've had it for like 7 months now, and I am obsessed. I still love it. It's so easy to clean. You just take off the covers, throw them in the washer, and you're good to go. Now, the frame of it is a little bit harder to clean. So what I'll do is I'll put some Dawn dish detergent on a towel. Make sure it's not like a dark towel, just a white towel, even paper towels. I'll do some soapy water and then just spot clean it, and that takes the spots right out. But I think I am going to get this Bissell cleaner that DIY by KB, I think that's her name on YouTube. See, she recommended that, so I think I'm going to get that. It's like $100 and something at Target, and I think it's on sale right now, so I really should get that soon. And so I'll use that to clean the frame of it. I'll let you know how that goes. But yeah, still loving the couch. That's where I have my movie nights. If I'm not sitting at my dining table, I'm laying on the couch. I laid on there last night, fell asleep, had to get up and get in the bed, because I wouldn't recommend sleeping on this couch. You can, and I have before, but it's so soft that it's not the most comfortable for sleeping on, but it is great for lounging. I haven't gotten a coffee table yet, so I'm going to be doing that next. But I have my cabinet storage. I bought a bunch of bins to put in there, and they fit perfectly, so I'll show you that. And then I recently got a bunch of fashion coffee table books, fashion and home decor coffee table books, and I got them for a steal. So I'm going to link them below, because do not buy them from like Amazon, Target. Like, they are the full price at those places. I found the perfect place to get them for like 30% off. So check out the description box below. But yeah, I got those huge coffee table books, and they look so good on like the console. I still need to get like a lamp. There's this lamp that I want from CB2. It's almost $300. So I'm like, I'm gonna hold on that, but I really want it, and I think I'm gonna get it because I feel like it would look so good in there. So yeah, that's like the last thing I need to get for the console, or like the cabinet, media, whatever you want to call it, the long row of cabinets on my living room wall. But then I think once I get the lamp, I'll be done with that. I just need a coffee table. I already mentioned the desk, and then my bar situation's pretty much still the same. Still love it. So I'll link all of those things in the description box. In the kitchen, there's not any updates, because like, what can you do to a kitchen? But I did get a KitchenAid stand mixer, in great condition, but it is used, from shopgoodwill.com, which I didn't know was a thing. But basically, Goodwill has an online website, and it's kind of like eBay where you bid on things. So I got it for like $50, which is insane because the original price was like $400, and all I had to do was buy the attachment. So I got the paddle attachment and the whisk attachment, and I baked a cake with it, and it was amazing. So even though it was in good condition when I got it, I still make sure I cleaned it really well. And yeah, I highly recommend Shop Goodwill for, expensive home things that people probably are getting rid of. So yeah, that is that in the kitchen. And then in the bathroom, the only update there is I got an over the toilet storage, and I did not want to do that, but I needed it for my towels because I had nowhere to put them. So I have over the toilet storage. I don't know why that's so hard for me to say, but I got a white cabinet, and I actually really like how it looks, and it has like a little shelf underneath, so I can put like extra rolls of toilet paper. I can put I have my skincare tray on it. So yeah, it looks really nice. And then I also switched out my diffuser in there. I had originally had a white diffuser, but I switched it out for black to give it a little bit of contrast because the bathroom was super white and gray. So I switched it out for the black one. Love it. For the bedroom, I finally got my pictures hung. So my stepdad came and he hung my pictures. So I got those like months ago, and they were just sitting on the floor. And then also in my room, I got rid of the vanity table that was right next to my TV because I felt like it was just too cluttered on this wall. So I replaced it with the mirror that was in my living room. So now I have like the tall floor mirror here, so I can check like my outfits of the day. I can do outfit pics. Like, I love it. I'm like, that was the best decision ever. And then I just moved the stool that was underneath the vanity desk. I just moved it right next to it. And that stool also has storage, so I just put like my headscarves in there. And it's good because it's like a lightweight stool, so I can move it around. Like today I did my makeup in front of this mirror behind me, and I just set the stool in front of it and did my makeup. And then speaking of my makeup, since I removed the desk from the room, I had to put my makeup in the closet, but now I'm thinking I might put it in this nightstand right here, because then I can just open that drawer, have all of my makeup there, and sit in front of that window and do my makeup. So I think I might do that. And then the only other changes, I put like my perfumes by the TV. I have like a candle and a vase by the TV on the other side. I have this like circle vase, which is similar to one that I saw at H&M, but I didn't get mine from H&M. I got mine from Marshall's. So I put that right underneath the picture that's on this wall right here. But yeah, I think that is pretty much it. That's everything that I have in my apartment right now. Like I said, I still need to get a coffee table. I want to get a lamp for the like media center console, whatever, I don't know what I'm calling it. And then I want a rug for underneath the dining table. Oh, I need a desk chair for my desk. I want to get a clear one so it doesn't take up too much space, because the desk is like right when you walk in the front door. So I don't want anything to be sticking out, and I don't want anything to take up too much eye space. Like, I want you to feel like there's nothing there. So yeah, that is it for all of my apartment updates. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I'll link everything in the description box below. And let me know what videos you want to see next. I really want to get back into my YouTube routine. So yeah, let me know what you want to see. But until then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.